Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Sujat and this is Blender Point. We are back with another tutorial and this is sort of a FAQ video, and here we have a question from Broadcast Bytes. Fellow enthusiasts has actually written something to us about our product, and we will go ahead and clarify some of the other things that you also need to know about EasyLight. So here we are talking about EasyLight. It's a add-on that I have created basically for the usage in mostly into photo or portrait sort of scenes. For that sort of feel, you would get a cinematic lighting. For that you would get other options to do portrait lighting. So that's it. That is the main goal for of EasyLight. And for that, basically the question that he asks, uh, broadcast bytes, is: does the cinematic lights use the camera to orient the lights, or is it camera and object selected? So the simple answer to it is yes, it is camera. It is basically object selected oriented. So if I go to Blender and let me do something about this, let me close this one, and if we go to Blender and if we press N on the 3D viewport, we would get EasyLights over here. I have already installed it, so we have a free version of EasyLight. You can use that, which also has this cinematic lighting added to it. So having said that, so if we use cinematic lighting, let's go ahead and create a mesh plane so that we have some light bouncing from the ground as well. Go to viewport shading mode, and then let's try this out. Let's delete this light and let's select the object that we want to light. So as I told you, this is for photo shoots, mainly for portraits, for those sort of environments, right? For products, for product lighting, you would be able to use it as well. So that is another use for it. So if we go ahead and set this up with just clicking set up the cinematic lighting, and it's already done. So we have 4 lights that has been generated for you. One would be a cinematic fill, cinematic backlight, key light, and a soft light. So you would get this setup or a preset that you can obviously go ahead and tweak with from here, as well as if you select this, you would be able to see edit light option over here, edit panel, from where you can actually go ahead and change the color, increase the power, or decrease that. So you can do the edit in real time with this. So but without digressing from the question, let's be sure that I am very clear about it. So cinematic lighting does not do what you are asking, broad. So what we do if we do not have that capability in cinematic lighting? For that specific reason, I have rim lights from annotation lighting, which will actually help you to mitigate this. So for this we need to go to the annotate symbol over here, and let's go here. Yeah, and then draw a line. And if we set this up, now you see a light has been created from here. That actually, just a moment, I'll show you. Let me clear this up, clear this line. That you see, we have created another light over here, and let's grab that. So that was a problem because we did not select the source. We need to select the cube before we do that. So let's redo that, delete it, and now select the cube, and then go to annotate, choose from where you want the light to shine, and do this, and then click on set up rim lights from annotation. Now you see you have created another two lights, but it went below. So what we can do is we can grab both of them and let's grab them and bring them up. Now you see it is already very clear on how to use this rim lights, and you can obviously tweak them using edit light. From here you would be able to edit them and do other sort of things. You can actually change them as well. You can change it to point light, you can change these to a spotlight, and you can customize it as much as you want. So yes, that was a short tutorial on how to use EasyLight, and that was the answer for you as well, Broad. You can actually go ahead and check out my paid version where you have this ability to do whatever you wanted to do with this sort of setup. So I have already have this in here. You can actually go ahead and check it out in the paid version if you have it, or uh, you know play around with EasyLights. You would be able to find something or the other. And for the others, please do download EasyLight. And thank you for being here. Let's wrap this up.